Hi, if you are new, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. I'm Julie Torrens, and I got a box from Ranger. And this is something that I ordered. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm not one to buy a lot of supplies, but there's just things that from time to time I need. And then, of course, from time to time, there's a sale that something that I thought I needed, I went ahead and got because it was on sale. So I haven't opened it. I just tore off the shipping label. Okay, starting out good with some good tissue paper that I could. Oh, here she is. So the first thing I got was for distress, but this is the archival. So it's the one that is not water soluble. Once it's dry, this is permanent. And I got the 4 colors that go into my only ink pad. And I can show you that another time. And I can even show you how you re-ink a pad. I'm not a big time stamper, but I do use stamps in my collage work. Okay, so this was on sale, and I love my dilution sprays. And so this was on sale, and I don't remember which colors they are, and I can't read it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. But these are water soluble, and they will travel if you get them wet once they've dried. So they're not permanent by any means, but boy, are they fun. Oh yeah, now I can remember. All right. So this one is called Cherry Pie. And this one is called Funky Fuchsia. These bottles are big. I'm going to just reach back here and grab a bottle. Now look, this is a bottle of bubblegum pink. Look at the difference. I love these big bottles. Yay. So it's double. Wow. If they had more colors, I would have gotten them, but these were the only 2 colors they had on sale. So maybe these colors are retired. I don't know, but I'm just glad to have them. And then I got these. Now, I'm not one to buy ephemera, and these aren't really ephemera. I'm going to have to maybe, let me see if I can get my scissors to dig this out without ruining anything. Oh, almost. Oh, almost again. There we go. Okay. So, see if I can just grab, this is the last thing in here. All right, so these are from Diane Reevely. I'm just going to toss this box aside. These are her coloring sheets. These were on sale for $1. And so what it is it's her art, and she's got them padded up. And I don't want to ruin the pictures, but let's see if I can get... Oh, Julie. This is what happens when you unbox and you don't know exactly what you're getting into. All right, let's see if I can do this without tearing everything to bits. Well, let's try the other side. Oh, I hate to ruin the covers, but I want you to be able to see. Try one more time. It's tearing. Shoot. I don't see one of my blades. Let me try this side. All right, I'm cutting it. There. I'm going to cut this side. Well, Ranger, you don't have to worry about these coming open. But there we go. All right, so 24 sheets, and this is Diane's drawings. Now, many times these are also in her collage packs, but they're already colored in. But I just wanted these to play with in art journaling. And aren't they fun? It's still stuck. Ugh. Let's see if I can unstick this. There. And we can flip through a little easier. Whichever way I turn it, it's going to be wrong half the time, so. Look at these. Aren't they fun? Oh, and I love this, but I love them all. So fun. Okay, so that's the first one. And this one is collection 3. This one is collection 2. But if you've ever tried to buy these kinds of things, you know they're expensive, and rightfully so. I'm not saying that. It's just I do work on a budget. If you like unboxing videos, please hit the like and consider subscribing to my channel. I'm brand new and I could use the help. Okay, this is a full page. Oh, and there's a couple here. Let's see. Life is hard, your art shouldn't be. Amen. That's right. Oh, look, another full. This is, she has stamps like this, and it's her Couture Collection. I just love it. So beautiful. Oh, look, all of these I think are big like this. And this paper, it feels like a mixed media paper. It's heavy. I don't know if it says how heavy the paper is, but it's going to be able to take some inks and sprays and all kinds of stuff. So aren't those fun? So stay tuned, because I'm going to be making a video soon using some of these in my work. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share with a friend. Thanks.